What do you get, Nicole? What do you have there? Let me see. Oh my gosh, this is a real bird. But it's dead. What happened to the bird? Kawawa naman yung bird. Huh? Ano nangyari sa bird? Huh? Ano nangyari? Huh? Nawala ng air? Oh, kawawa. Oh. Look at the bird. Yes, yes. It's the bird right there. You wanna talk with the bird? May yayay? Ano, nagkasakit? Tapos? Namatay. Saan mo nadadalhin yung patay na bird? It's dead. You wanna take care of him? Even he's dead? Wala ka nang magagawa? Malungkot na malungkot ka. Wala nang magagawa. Wawa naman ng bird. Wawa. Say nang babay sa bird. Say ka nang babay sa bird. Huh? Sayang, no? You love the bird pa naman. Say bye. Say E. E.
Oh.
Bon. E-bon. E. Bon.
Oh.
Yes. That's the bird. Say bye-bye, bird. Bye-bye. Sleep tight. Rest in peace. Oh. Dadalhin mo na lang sa ospital, anak. Wala na. Wala na din pag-asa. Nalagutan na ng hininga. Saan mo ibibigay, anak? Okay, bye, bird.